welcome to the Council family. I'm Fathy, and today we are going to be seeing the lighting. So let's begin. So we're on the bus right now. We're going to be waiting for a few stops and get off. Hamoud is just shaking his head around, and we don't see any winter lighting so far, but we'll let you know it. So we're just waiting around. What is that horrendous face of mine? Okay, never mind about that. So we're just waiting around. I see lightings. I think this is number 1 or something. If you don't see it, look over there. Where I'm pointing. It's so pretty. It's like it's raining, kind of. Wow, the view is so nice up here. We're on a double-decker bus, so that's why it looks so tall, and you can see the tree branches and stuff. The bus is completely empty. Wow. Guys, we're here. We're at Canary Wharf. Yay! We're going to see the winter lightings. But first, we're going to go into our shopping center. Yay!
For no good reason. Off again.
अच्छा क्या था दूसरे पे जाना है इधर जाना है
So we're out. It's super cold, but also very nice. There's a huge building right in front of us. I'm super scared because I'm scared of heights. If I ever go to that building, I'd be really scared. And there goes our bus. Wow. Super cold. Hamoud is just dancing around or something like that. Super cold outside. Well, obviously. Wow, it's just so nice. And wow.
चलो आजा बेटा
ये कितना बॉटल है You want it?
Hamudi come वासनी बहुत शोर कर रहा आए थे ना हम लोग इससे पहले आए थे हम लोग यहाँ
So right now we're going to be going into the shopping center area. It kind of looks like an airport. It's super hard to open this. Go to the store. Oh my glory! Wow, this is so modern. Like, look at the lighting. Oh my, wow! It's so nice. Whoa, it's like a dome shape. It's like in a circle. Oh wow! It's so nice. It's like so modern here. Wow. I just can't explain how nice it is here.
That's a train station.
So we're going to go to the top and see how glorious it looks. Wow, I just can't explain how pretty. Wow, look at that dome. I love it. Look the view. Oh my, wow. This is the best shopping center. I don't know why I'm walking. Wow, the lighting and everything. Look at that shop right there. It's a this place. We're going to go to the top, and that's where all the fast food and stuff is. Wow. I don't know how many times I have to say wow, but here's another wow. 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 It's so nice. Look at that dome. I love the sky. It's so royal here. Like it's so modern and royal. It belongs to like I don't know, the Queen of England or the King or something like that. Oh my god, we're so high. How many floors are we? I think it's like 4 floors. That view, it's so nice.
यहाँ से खाना अभी मैंने तो सब घर से लेकर आई वो तो
It's so high up. I'm kind of scared.
पिक्चर्स लेना है पिक्चर्स
Oh my god. So nice. I wish it was like blue sky. Guys, we have teleported to the bottom. And we didn't have to use any of those escalators. Yay! We have teleported. And I'm vlogging. That's good. Yay. It's a rush here. Everything is too like modern that we can't even like go into any of them because they're so expensive, even though we didn't even go to any of them. We're going to go to the other side and we're going to see the lightings. Yeah!
इधर से बेटा
So we're looking our way out. It's a bit narrow here. I don't know why they're like these color walls, but I don't really like it. It's not like wow. It's kind of like of the wall colors. I think we finally made it out. We have not made it out yet. That sucks. This shopping center is like a maze.
Oh
Or
my god
maybe-
क्या ठंडी हवा है
You guys see painting. Well, actually, those might be movies. I'm not sure. And there is me vlogging. I already feel cold. The inside the shopping center was a bit warmer. I'd rather be inside than out here. It's super cold. Look at this view! Wow! Oh my god. This view is so nice.
हम आ
I
गए
can't even.
हैं Canary Wharf
Wait, we were in this?
कहाँ है विंटर
I did not know that. Okay. We learn something new every day. Wow.
विंटर लाइट्स यहाँ से
Look at all those clocks. I feel like we're in the past or something. I don't know. Ooh, I see some lightings. No, not that. Those lightings. I mean, those lightings up there. I think that's where we're going to be going. Oh, I think this is the way. Let's go.
विंटर लाइट्स स्टार्ट यहाँ से चलो हम लोग थोड़ा सा गोल घूम के आएंगे कहाँ से स्टार्ट बता रहा हो मुझे तो यहाँ पर लाइटिंग्स नज़र आ रही चलो अंदर पहले जाके देख के रहेंगे वहाँ से चलो
This is so pretty. Look at all the lighting. Oh my god, why is I'm really walking like a penguin? Okay. me vlogging. There's lots of lightings, and there's also like a little water fountain right here. Super duper cute. And we're gonna take some little pictures here too. Look at Kali. Oh look, Hamoud is also going to join the fun too. Oh wow, I want to have fun there too. Let's take some pictures here. Oh my wow, this view is so nice. I'm just vlogging there. Oh look, we're taking some pictures. I don't know what Hamoud is doing there. Oh my wow, look at those rainbow benches. Hamoudi says this theory that each color gives them like a different type of warmth. I tried it out. It doesn't matter. It's still cold, and we're just taking pictures. I love the view around here. Wow, that's just pretty, and I'm just taking some pictures of random things. Taking some pictures. I don't know what Hamoudi is doing. I'm just taking pictures of random things. Yeah, we're taking a picture. I found a picture. The view is super nice here, but we have to go back to the start because we're in like I don't know what number. I feel like it was number 9 or something. There's me vlogging, and Hamoudi is just doing this random penguin dance. We don't know which way to go, so we're going to ask this person, and we have to go that way. So yay, we got a map. I think we'll be skipping a few numbers, but we're going to start off with number 7 because number like the other few numbers are like all the way back to the start, and I think we already saw them. Oh my god, why does Hamoudi walk like a penguin? I think we saw them on the bus where we were. And look at that train, it's so glorious. I have seen very many trains, but like at night, wow. I wonder how it looks at night. I feel like it's going to be looking very pretty. Kali will guide us to like where we should go. So we're going to number 7 first. We're going to skip the other 6 number, I think. 6 numbers. And then we're going to carry on from there. Oh, I just love the view here. Kali said we should go that way to the start, but we're going straight ahead because number 7 is there, and we're skipping those numbers because it's way too far away. So we're going to get another map so I can also guide the way. And yeah. Wow, I can't imagine the view here at night. Like the sky all dark and all the lighting's up, and there's lots of food like shacks here, and I don't know why they're little like small like they're tall clocks around here. Kind of reminds me like we're going to the past, like I don't know, it's some movie. But yeah, we're going to number 7. I got another map. So yeah, Kali and me got so now we have 2 maps in total. We're going to number 7, so we're gonna I'm gonna be showing the routes we have to go to. We see another bus, yay! And we have to do a lot of walking. So this is going to be this is going to like give pain to our legs and our whole entire body.
Yeah.
Here is the map. We're here right now, right there where the clocks are, and we're gonna go. We need to go. Well, I was saying we need to go all the way back to the start, but she said let's just go to number 7 because it's close. Look at like all the way back to the start, and we're over there. So we're gonna go to number 7 instead. I think we're really confusing you. I'm sorry if we are. There's just numbers to like see the lightings in order, but we're not going in order. We are rule breakers. We will go to number 7 instead, which is very odd because it's kind of well known. It's like a well-known number.
हाँ तो तेरा हाथ में ग्लव्स है तो कैसा होगा बेटे? अभी हम लोग यहाँ से जाएंगे।
Wow! This is so pretty! It's like a spaceship in the future! Like how it looks like, it's like it just, wow! I can't even describe it! It's like so weird and also like futuristic in some way. It's like changing colors and it's like so like odd and mysterious and like it just gives a weird but a good vibe. The way Hamudi walks is a penguin. And look at this. It's a weird little mirror thing. We're having so much fun making these weird like pictures of ourselves. We're going to be going down these escalators. And we'll see where we're going to be heading to. So, yay! We're having so much fun over there.
Excuse me, sir.
I don't know which way to go. So we're asking this guy, and he will tell us where we should go. And Hamudi is also vlogging. I don't know when he started vlogging, but he starts.
I just came from there. I just came from there.
This way is blocked.
This way is.
Yeah. This is just for restaurants, bar, and.
So.
Well, the guy says to go that way, but we already just came from that way. I'll show you a clip if you haven't seen it already.
I just came from there. From there.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Roof.
So we have to go back upstairs in order to see like number 7. So we have to go back up. Sadly, we came back down. We have to go by like the stairs. So that sucks. At least we got exercise, okay? We got some exercise going up here. Okay, so we have to go up because number 7 is over there.
7, 8.
So we're going to be going up and we're going to be seeing number 7. I think that's going to be our first lighting of the day. Wow.
चलो पीछे चलो. ऊपर चढ़ के जाना. ओह माय गॉड. फिर चक्कर आ रही है अभी से.
More walking to do. How much walking do we even need to do? I guess we're going to break our legs at the end of the day.
ओए मैं तो गई.
Oh my, wow. This is so amazing. Wow. This is more prettier than I expected. It's like a forest. You know, like those fairy forests? Wow, it's so pretty. Look at these. Oh my. You know, I feel like the lighting is not that good, but I feel like the actual forest is actually way better, not gonna lie. By the way, this is a roof garden, so that's why there's a garden inside. So pretty. Oh wow, you can actually see the real sky. Like, it's not like a fake sky, it's actually real. Oh, I don't know what Khalid and Hamoudi is doing, but they're just stretching out and walking like penguins, especially Hamoudi. And I'm here showing that we're over here, or I'm actually saying to take the map. I don't know what I like, but either one. And we see a building, actually more than a building. It's so pretty here. It's like a fairy forest.
बैठो, sit there, photo. बाद में जाओ बैठो मेरी फोटो में.
So this area reminds me of like a fairy tale. Like there's like fairies in the light, you know, like the purple and blue light, and like in like the dark, in like the shadows or something like that, they're like dinosaurs, like waiting or like hunting for like its prey. It seems like we entered Peter Pan's realm, like in like Neverland. It just like gives that feeling and like the vibe. The lighting, the little like blue, like the colorful lightings are like the fairies hiding, and like the red lighting over there is like the dinosaurs like invisible form, like they can't see you, and then like when they want like hunting for its prey or something like that. It kind of seems like Tinkerbell flying, like it's just like so cool, and like it gives like the fairy tale vibe of like Netherland. I don't know where Peter Pan went, but all I see is Tinkerbell and her friends.
वहाँ नहीं, यहाँ पर ले लो. यहाँ पर क्या देख रहे हैं picture?
Currently they're acting like monkeys and they're just moving around like crazy, but while like the lightings are like fairies, like flying around, and like it just gives that vibe. It just gives me a fairy vibe. Like there's crystals. The lighting are crystals, and remember that red ring thing? It's like the fairies. Wow. Oh, it's the end. That sucks. Well, on to our next thing. Wait, I see some lighting over there. Let's... Ooh, what's this? I see lighting right there. We just skipped it, huh? Oh, bro, we skipped it. Guys, guess what? We're walking into a dead end. Wow.
Number 9 किधर है भाई?
We're still walking. Turn around. This is a dead end.
Excuse me.
Turn
where is the
around. It's the other way.
Number 9.
Turn around.
It will be down there.
Told you. You have to
Where?
turn around. It's the other way.
Number 9. Thank you.
Come. Turn around. Yes, good job. Good job. It's that way. Good job.
Oh.
Okay. Look, there's some other ones. These sound like heartbeats.
Yeah.
Like the little cubes sound like heartbeats. It's so creepy but cool at the same time. It goes like dun 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 dun. So you know these cubes remind me of gems. It's so cool. So guys, how was our video? Did you like it? Did you love it? Or do you like imagine like it was a fairy tale? In this video we looked at number 7, 8 and 9. Yes. And in our next video we're going to look at 10, 11, 12 and maybe 13. Okay, that's the end of our video, guys. Bye.